Hi, everyone. This is Inspire Beautiful. One of the most important lessons I've learned about relationships is that forgiveness and trust are not the same thing. If you forgive someone, surely you trust them again. If trust hasn't returned, maybe you haven't really forgiven. But life has taught me that these are two very different journeys. Forgiveness, however we each continue to understand it, is often an inward process. It's the decision to stop allowing resentment or bitterness to have the final say over our lives. That doesn't mean we excuse what happened. It doesn't mean we pretend the hurt wasn't real. And it certainly doesn't mean we forget. Trust is different. Trust is relational. It grows through honesty, consistency, accountability, and time. Unlike forgiveness, trust cannot simply be declared, it has to be experienced. Imagine someone repeatedly breaking a promise. If they sincerely apologize, you may choose to forgive them. But that doesn't automatically erase the uncertainty that was created. Trust returns as their actions begin matching their words, slowly, consistently, and patiently. I've come to believe that one of the kindest things we can do for ourselves and for others is to stop confusing these two ideas. Because when we expect forgiveness to instantly restore trust, we often place unrealistic pressure on healing. Healing rarely works that way. Relationships that recover from betrayal or deep disappointment usually do so because both people understand that rebuilding trust is a process. It's not demanded, it's earned. And sometimes, despite sincere effort, trust doesn't fully return. That reality can be painful, but acknowledging it is often more honest than pretending everything is the same. One of the quiet strengths of healthy relationships is that they respect the pace of healing. They don't rush it, they don't shame it, and they don't insist that someone should be over it by now. Instead, they recognize that trust grows one consistent choice at a time. And I've also learned that trust isn't only about another person, it's also about trusting ourselves again. After we've been hurt, we sometimes question our own judgment. We wonder if we missed warning signs. We wonder whether we'll make the same mistake again. Part of healing is remembering that one painful experience doesn't define our ability to make wise decisions in the future. As we grow, we often become more discerning, more aware, more willing to honor both our compassion and our boundaries. Perhaps that's where wisdom begins, not by becoming suspicious of everyone, but by learning that forgiveness and trust each have their own place. One may begin with our hearts, the other grows through consistent actions over time, and both matter, but they are not the same. And understanding the difference allows us to move forward with greater clarity, greater compassion, and greater peace. Inspire Beautiful. Take care, everyone, and thanks for joining me.